guys, what's up? It's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine, but I'm gonna be doing it in alphabetical order. The other day, I asked you guys for video requests, and someone DM'd me to try this, and I thought it would be so funny, mostly because I'm not the best at makeup to begin with, so I felt like just putting everything out of order would just really be a challenge and be entertaining for you guys to watch, because it's probably gonna turn out like a hot mess, and that's like always a fun time. So that's what we're doing today. I tried to film this video like 2 days ago and I completely did it wrong. I like lined up the makeup in alphabetical order, but like it wasn't actually in alphabetical order because apparently I don't know the alphabet and I like messed everything up, and in the middle of doing it I was like, oh wait, this was supposed to be before this and this was supposed to be after this. I just looked really dumb. So I went through and I typed out the whole list on my phone. That way I wouldn't get like confused with everything in front of me, and like I would actually do it in the right order. Yeah, we're prepared for that. It'll actually be in the right order this time, I hope, unless I'm just still stupid and really mess this up again. If you guys are new to my channel or if you've never seen my face before, then hey, what's up? I'm Megan. I hope that you guys like my channel. Hope you guys find this video entertaining. If you guys do, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Also turn on my post notifications, that way you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So according to my list, the first thing I'm using is blush. So the blush that I use is the Milk Makeup blush in the shade Rally. I love this blush. I've been using this same blush since like February and it still hasn't run out because a little goes a long way. I think I'm gonna try to like pack this on because in the order I'm going in, my foundation is going on over my blush and bronzer. So I'm gonna try to like pack this stuff on. That way it's like kind of shows up underneath it, but it does go on like a lot darker than it actually is. I'm trying to like keep my bracelets quiet. Skin is naturally like kind of like pinky toned, so putting on blush before I have on like anything else just looks crazy. I can't even tell if this is blended. I'm like looking like in my viewfinder and not on an actual mirror. Oh god. This is like not where it's supposed to be. Welp. That was kind of a fail. I also just realized I didn't ever get my beauty blender wet, so I have to go run and do that. My beauty blender is wet. That's not gonna help me with my blush. The next thing is bronzer. So I use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. It's like my OG. I don't think I've ever used a different bronzer than this one. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think the only one I've ever used is Hoola. Anyways, I'm going to put some of this on. Again, I don't have a regular mirror. Normally I sit in front of like a full length mirror, but that's like behind me right now. We're gonna use this little baby mirror. It's really hard for me to tell if like I'm actually blending this out enough because it's like not on top of foundation, so I can't tell if it looks right because I'm like not used to the way that it looks without it being layered over my foundation. In my What's on my iPhone video, I didn't use my pop socket. Like I was holding my phone like this without using the pop socket, and so many people in the comments were like triggered about it. So now I feel like I have to always use my pop socket. Just sometimes I like forget. I kind of just use it to like play with it. But I'm gonna use it in this video, that way you guys don't get mad at me in the comments. So the next thing I have to do is concealer. So I use the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. This is in the shade Light. On my nose, on my little breakout spots. Super fun time. I look crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and blend this out. So after concealer is eyeliner. So I'm just using the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Liner Intense. So this is just a black liquid liner. I just totally like effed up my eyeliner on this side. Wings are supposed to be like sisters, not twins, but these are more like cousins than anything. Anyways, after eyeliner comes eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, going in with the shade White Peach, and I'm just like putting that all over my lid. I'm not even using the right brush right now. It just like, it's over there. I don't feel like going to get it, so I'm just going to use this random brush. And then once I've done that, I'm going in with the color Puree. I'm just going to pop that on my outer corner and blend that into my crease. I started spraying my eyeshadows with setting spray because it just made the... This is what happens when you use Scotch tape to tape up like a backdrop. Okay, let me fix my backdrop. As I was saying, I started spraying my eyeshadow with setting spray. For some reason, I feel like that was like a thing. And now like I can't use my eyeshadow without spraying it anymore because like it just got like dry. So I have to like get it wet. I don't know. I'm a mess. Anyway, so I just get that on my finger and then I just pop that into my inner corner. But then I go in with the shade Bellini, and I just put that on the outer half of my eyelid. It's like kind of just taking off all of the eyeliner on my eye and spreading it all around my eyelid. So that's a fun time. Anyways, eyeshadow is done, and now on to foundation. So the foundation that I use is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation by Maybelline. It's in the shade 122 because, like I said, I self-tan, so I have to use a darker foundation. Dang it, I meant to get a new one of these when I was at Walgreens. Ow, I keep like hitting my bone. Hopefully I got enough of that on my hand, and I'm just gonna go into my beauty blender and put that on my face. Normally when I'm doing my foundation, I like blend it over my eyelids to kind of like get a base for my eyeshadow, but I can't really do that now because I already have on eyeshadow and eyeliner. I don't want it to cover it. After foundation comes highlight. I feel like this looks so uneven and bad. Probably because I already had on stuff underneath it, and then also like I kind of ran out, so looks like a mess. Anyways, I'm going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Butterscotch and put some of that on my nose, and then I'm just going to highlight with that. The next thing is lipstick. I'm actually filming this on the 4th of July, so I'm going to use this red lipstick today. I'm obviously gonna redo my makeup for the actual day, but this is the lipstick I'm gonna do later, so I figured I would use it in this video. It's funny that I said it was 4th of July because people are setting off fireworks now. This is the lip color for the day. I feel like this looks like super like dramatically red. Next thing is mascara. I think I maybe should have curled my eyelashes as C. Oh well. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is like my new favorite mascara ever. It doesn't clump. It makes your eyelashes look so long. Seriously, the best mascara I've ever used. It's like hands down one of my favorites, and this tube I think was like $12 or something like that because it's like the baby little travel size tube. See me looking over here this whole video, it's because this is the viewfinder and it's like my mirror for the video, so sorry about that. I feel like I look crazy with this lipstick on, like I'm not a fan. Okay, so mascara is done. Next thing on my list is primer. I think this is going to mess up everything. I'm sure you guys all know primer always comes first. My makeup already looks so bad, but I feel like putting on primer is going to make it a gazillion times worse. If you're wondering, the primer that I use is the Benefit Professional Primer. It's like my all-time favorite. I've tried a few other ones, even some other ones from Benefit, but this one is my favorite. So I'm just gonna put this on my face. This feels so incredibly wrong. I can't even explain it to you guys. It's just wiping off everything. Oh no! I just realized my powder was supposed to go before my primer because P-O and not P-R. This is the problem, you guys. Oh no! Okay, this looks super bad. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but up close it looks horrible. I mean, I'm sure you guys can tell on camera. It literally just like wiped away all of my makeup. Fun. After primer comes powder. It was supposed to be after powder comes primer, but as we know, I'm kind of dumb. Anyways, the primer that I use is the Fit Me powder in the shade 130. I'm just gonna go with this buffing brush, this powder on all over my face. That is powder, and the last step is setting spray. This is actually the only thing that was in the right order. Setting spray is always the last thing that I use. This is the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea. I just ran out of my setting spray. Normally I use the Urban Decay All Nighter, but this one also worked as a setting spray. I look horrible. So this is the finished makeup look. I don't even know what to say about it. This just looks so bad. The lipstick I think makes it worse because it's like such a bold lip color. This just turned out so bad. Lesson that I learned in today's video is to do your makeup in the correct order. Do not try to do it in alphabetical order. But anyways, that is all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all of my other socials. I'll have them listed down below in the description box so you guys can go check me out on all of those. I've got Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Spotify, Pinterest, all of that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to go check me out on those, make sure you do that. Like I said, they're listed down below. And yeah, I think that's everything. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you to the moon and back. And I will see you all next week with another new video. Bye guys!